Hello, this is Esther from Cemantica. I'd like to show you how you can connect Power BI to Cemantica and visualize different type of data. So we are on the Cemantica platform. The first thing you can do is to go to Settings, the Integration Center, and then connect Power BI to the Cemantica platform. So it's a self-service connector. You just have to click Add, then add the relevant information, right, and click Enable. Once this is done, you can go to reports here on the Cemantica platform. So you can visualize here the journey overview, the sentiment analysis, the ROI, and then you can import your Power BI in this view. So by just clicking on this plus, you select your Power BI, then the workspace you want to associate, this Power BI to, the reports, right? And you can enter name and then you show report. Here is what you are going to see. So then you see here that you have Power BI embedded directly in Cemantica. So it's a report that you can entirely customize. You can play here with the filter, right? That are available for you. And so Power BI is nice, but you can also add more tools like Tableau, for example. So you just have to click here on the plus and add, other system that you have connected in the parameters of Cemantica. All right. If you want to have more info, you can go on our website, cemantica.com, or contact us at info@cemantica.com. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.